This is one of the stupidest things I've ever seen. Look at this nonsense. Why would you nail into a tile? I don't care if you have to put this in, because what happened in here was there was carpet over the tile, and I took out the carpet, and they're just going back to tile. But look at this. Whoever installed this carpet, man, this is what they should have tried to do to save the tile, was put the nails where the grout is. But as you can see, that's a problem when the strip ends. They have to put a nail. If I put carpet over tile, I would glue the edges of the carpet to the floor, to the tile. I wouldn't use these stupid tack strips. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to try to do here look at this. Not much I can do to fix this tile. And of course, these tiles are old, so there's no extras that you can buy to replace it. I'll have to just fill it in with some grout. That's all I can do. You get a pry bar, you just hammer it in there. And these nails here in the grout, sometimes you get lucky and you can pull them right out. Then you just have a hole there. So they destroyed this floor. I don't know why they thought they could use a nail gun. That's just idiotic to me. Sometimes the nail gun, because it's so fast, it can get through a piece of tile without breaking it. But look at this. They put so many nails in this one little piece, and this isn't even a full piece. It's cut to fit in here. Sometimes if you hammer the nail a little bit like this, then you can pry it out. That one's in there pretty good. In this case, I'm going to use the bar to break the head off. Caused more damage to the tile, but I got the nail out. I'll have to try to put this back together like a puzzle. Doesn't look like they put enough mortar there either. What I'll do to put this together is I'll lay the pieces out like this and try to figure out how to go back together. Try to get some underneath that other tile because it needs more, like nothing there. I know that goes there, but I don't know what goes on top of it. So this. found too, if you put the glue in between the cracks, it helps to minimize the appearance of the cracks. Oh, this is what I'm gonna do for this, that's it. Get a wet rag and carefully wipe it off. You don't want to wipe off too much of the glue. Just so that you just want to get just enough so that you can see the tile. You might have to rinse the rag out and repeat. I'll show you some more now. Now, if you can't get the nail out, this is what you do to if you can't get the nail out, this is what you do to prevent further damage to the tile. First, you try to get it out. It won't come out. Try to break the head off. Doesn't work. Then, now we're going to do drastic measures. Angle grinder. You want to grind the nail down flush with the tile. That's all you can do, is just leave the nail there. Grind it down flush with the tile. And be careful with the grinder because it will tear into the tile. Try not to tear into the tile with the grinder wheel.